1, 2, 3, H-A-I-E!
Ready for the Battle of the Books! Teams of elementary and middle school students from across the district are excited to be competing online in the first round of a chapter book competition. Red Cedar Elementary School recorded this video as their reading team paraded through the hallways on their way to compete. Here at Hilton and Island Elementary School, the team went up against students from an elementary school in Bluffton. They're taking a Kahoot quiz, answering multiple choice questions about the books they read. Prior to the competition, the students had to read 5 selected chapter books.
I have a lot of passion for reading because I like going to a new world. I especially like fiction books.
Hilton and Island Elementary won their competition, and they're excited to start practicing for the next round.
When I saw that we won, I was very happy.
We will probably read the book again just to make sure, and we'll probably just keep doing practices every Monday.
For the middle school level of the competition, students were assigned 6 selected books to read. Here at H.E. McCracken Middle School, the students are using teamwork to win their competition.
Just shouting out the answer was worked. Just saying the colors and the answers really worked, and I just feel like there was an instant bond there, so we were naturally friends. So it was just we worked together really well too.
A Bluffton Elementary School 5th grader is on the McCracken Middle School reading team. He stepped up and challenged himself by reading middle school level books, and he really enjoys competing with the older students.
It's when we ever got it wrong, we didn't get angry, we just stayed positive.
Students from 20 district schools are taking part in the book competition. The winners of each round will advance to the next, and each school level will have a champion. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.